Coming up on Outdoor Method, we're paddling nearly 8 miles across Maligne Lake to spend the night at Fisherman's Bay and making our way to Spirit Island for sunset and sunrise. 2 days, 1 night, and a whole lot of paddling through one of the most incredible places in the Canadian Rockies. All right, we are on our way to our next adventure. Where are we going?
We're paddling on Maligne Lake over to Spirit Island, and then we are overnight camping for 1 night at Fisherman Bay.
You heard it. We've scored crazy permits this trip. So we got all of our gear, paddles, all that stuff, more gear, and hopefully we survive the paddle.
All right, here we go.
Number 6. We rented our canoe the night before from a local business in Jasper. Our boat's name is Old Town. This is Old Town here. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyways, she's a beaut. Approximately 16 footer.
Is it?
I don't know. Okay. They somehow managed to give us one of these. Okay, well, we ran her aground. Nobody in the parking lot told us that our boat was backwards.
We think.
100% our boat was backwards. We were going the wrong way, facing the wrong way. That's my fault. I should know better. But we're fixing it. It's a beautiful day. And we will continue on. Okay. Get you a wife that paddles like mine. All right, we have made it to our destination. I believe this is like Fisherman's Cove or something. We snagged this epic campsite though. Got super lucky. Rate it.
10 out of 10.
After a quick snack, we decided to paddle over to Spirit Island and spend the rest of the evening there. We found a spot on the dock, made some dinner, and took in the view for a while. After eating dinner, we paddled back to Fisherman's Bay to get to bed for an early start the next day. The next morning, we were up before the sunrise. We paddled back over to Spirit Island for one last coffee and a few photos. All right, we are just finishing up here at Spirit Island. Honestly, this is probably one of the most scenic places I've ever seen. It's just incredible. We sat here for quite a few hours last night trying to wait on sunset and get some good footage, and then quite a few hours this morning to get some good pictures and good footage as well. But yeah, this is Spirit Island. It's insane. So we're going to get all packed up here. We're going to go back to camp, take some more photos, a couple videos, and then we're going to paddle our little butts out of here.
I know, I'm just trying to get some of the Spirit Island though too. Will you paddle that way? The other option is taking a boat.
After Spirit Island, we packed up camp and headed back to the boat launch. It was a long way back, but after a few hours on the water, we finally made it back. And just like that, our time on Maligne Lake and at Spirit Island was over. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next trip.